Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's all about iOS 18, the next big update for your iPhone. Apple keeps things pretty tight-lipped, but based on leaks and rumors, we have a good idea of what's coming. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the exciting world of iOS 18. First things first, Apple officially unveils new iOS versions at their Worldwide Developers Conference, or WWDC. This year, WWDC kicks off on June 10th. That's when we can expect the official announcement of iOS 18, along with all its bells and whistles. Now, you might be itching to try out iOS 18 right away. Here's the deal. Apple usually releases a developer beta version shortly after the WWDC keynote, likely sometime in late June. This is a very early version with bugs, so I wouldn't recommend installing it on your main device. However, Apple sometimes releases a public beta a few weeks later, around mid-July. This is a more stable version, but still not the final product. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try the public beta, but be prepared for some potential glitches. The big day everyone's waiting for, the official public release of iOS 18. Based on past releases, we can expect this to happen sometime in mid-September. This is when the update will be available for everyone to download on their compatible iPhones. Which iPhones will get iOS 18? That's a great question. Apple typically ends support for older iPhones after a certain number of iOS updates. Here's what we're expecting for iOS 18 compatibility. iPhone XR and newer models are likely to receive iOS 18. This includes the iPhone XS, XS Max, iPhone 11 series, iPhone SE, second and third generation, and all the iPhone 12, 13, 14, and 15 models. This is based on leaks and rumors. We'll know for sure which iPhones are compatible after Apple's official announcement at WWDC. All right, I know you're dying to know about the new features. While we can't be sure until WWDC, rumors suggest some exciting things. A brand new design, a fresh look for your iPhone, major AI upgrades, Siri is about to get a serious boost, revamped apps, think of new features and functionalities, and some whispers about features like RCS messaging support and a hearing aid mode for AirPods Pro. We'll know all the juicy details for sure come June 10th at WWDC. Until then, keep an eye out for further leaks and rumors. And of course, I'll be here to break down all the official news as soon as it drops. What features are you most excited about in iOS 18? Let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you next time.